for my dog. Say yes. Da-na-na-na. 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 My Bentley. So, no, Mariah's not coming. So, guys, we're going to show you a bunch of things we use for my dog. Well, we're going to use, hey guys, we're going to show you what we have for my dog in his little basket. So, let's start. That's your phone. Okay. So we're going to start off with this little toffee. We're going to do this last, right? This I got from Petco. He loves it. Bentley! I'll go get him. Never mind.
If you guys never saw Bentley, let's get him.
Wait, just pick him up.
You guys, the dog almost bit me.
What is
Try picking up from his head.
it? Yeah, the reason why she tried biting him, well, he wasn't actually gonna. The reason why he did that is because she was picking him up by his head.
No, I wasn't.
So he's making you inchy baby.
What?
No one else was in the room when it happened.
Comment down below if
I'm
you
gonna
know
put
that.
it on my dog.
Wait, Aaliyah, you
Whoa.
forgot to say in the beginning of the video.
It's okay. It doesn't matter. I'll do it at the end.
She's gonna do some.
These are his little treats. So let's see that one.
The next video, we might do it for her lizard. What's up, baby?
This one doesn't want one.
Come on. Go. Do you want any, baby? We're just gonna leave it there in case he wants any.
Oh, there he goes. He's eating it. See?
But he can't eat them all.
You guys can't see. Sorry. But I am gonna leave him a little bit. Then move. There. Eat those. Okay, so I'm gonna let him eat those. Okay,
Sorry about the noise.
yeah, so
Quick ASMR.
it's not good ASMR. But yeah, we're going to go to the next stuff, but we don't have that much actually.
This?
Here, Batman.
Wait, the growling towel.
No, don't show them that. So we have that. We're gonna get me that toy over there. There is no more for you, Batman. You can't have all your treats. So then we have his little sweatshirt.
And he's gonna have to put it on to show you because he looks freaking adorable in it.
Bentley. We'll put his sweatshirt on later because right now he's mad.
Yeah.
We're going to show you his thing.
Binky.
Oh yeah. He likes chewing on this, playing with it.
But he doesn't like putting this part
Yes,
in
he
his
does.
mouth.
He likes chewing on this. I don't know why. So this is what it looks like. It's an elephant with this.
Ah!
He loves chewing on this. I don't know why. It's weird. Then we have this. It's a bone. I also got it from Petco. Most of this stuff I got from Petco.
Because
So,
some of that stuff is her toy baby.
Bentley.
He's
So
behind
this is
you.
a growling towel. We can't use it because I'm not going to make him growl because I didn't know his name. So yeah, we're just going to put that to the side. And we also have his little towel. It's a little ducky. Come here, Mommy. Whoa.
I got him.
Hey.
Bentley, don't worry, baby.
Okay, I'm not going to use the growling towel on him for right now.
He looks so cute.
We forgot to put his paws in.
It's okay.
Okay, there.
He's a little duck.
A duckling. But yeah, this is his towel.
He can stay in it if he wants, but he doesn't want to. The last, but certainly not least,
So, the sweatshirt.
we're gonna have to get it.
So, we're going to have to get him. So, I'll be right back.
I'm back here. I'll stay with the fams. Okay, fam. I'm gonna stay with you, and I just dropped you.
I got him, guys. So, I'm going to stop putting your face in front of the camera. Okay, so I got him. So, now I'm just going to quickly put this on him. Because he is one mad little puppy.
And then there's nothing in the box. So I'm gonna start putting things away.
No, because I have a certain way to put them.
I'm gonna start folding. Folding.
And put your... Okay, good boy. Put your pen.
Begin.
You look funny looking, Bentley.
Put his hoodie on.
But he doesn't like his hoodie.
You guys, we can't show you this cute little hoodie. Your little tiny hoodie.
With his jacket on. Looking adorable. I will try putting on his little hoodie.
It looks like it doesn't fit.
It does.
What is he gonna be David next year for Halloween?
I don't know. So this is Bentley. With his little hoodie on. So yeah.
And then this is Aaliyah.
Okay. So I will show you this.
It's just a little bucket.
It's a little bucket.
It holds everything in it.
It says perfect and
I think Melon can fit in this.
yeah, Bentley. I gotta get it off of him now.
He doesn't like it, I don't
He
think.
wants it on. It won't let me get it off. This is made with puppy without clothes.
Yep, he always has no clothes on. The next video we might do about our lizard.
He's gonna get pajamas.
Yes, he
And he's
is.
also gonna get a very big coat.
Yes, he is. For when he goes outside.
Yes.
On walks. You do walks.
Because he doesn't like the rain, so we have to kind of, like, basically force him to go outside in the rain. Because he doesn't like it so much.
He doesn't put wee pads sometimes.
I do put wee pads. I have to put wee pads. So he pees everywhere.
Imagine if your whole floor was made of wee pads.
I would be happy.
Then Bentley.
So, see, this is what it looks like with everything's inside. Can you put it back?
So,
Yeah, that was the video. I hope you guys liked it. So, like, subscribe, comment down below, hit the bell for any notifications, and bye.